Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I'll show you how to use some of the features of AI Assessment Architects. Now, Alhamdulillah, you have your account on AI Assessment Architect. So, we will start by the designer. On clicking on the designer, you can see all the features that can be built using AI Assessment Architect, including written item, practical items, clinical. The clinical include both the OSCE and workplace-based assessment, scoring tools that include checklist, rating scale, and rubrics, and also all what you will generate when using AI Assessment Architect will be saved in the saved item. Also, the exam also will be saved in your account. The new in AI Assessment Architect that we have an item for programmatic assessment planning. The last but not least is related to the writing feedback and evaluating student reflection and also the student portfolio. So let's go back to the written assessment or written items. In using written items, you have the option to write different test items, including the one best answer MCQ type A, the R type extended matching, modified essay, short essay, and long essay. And for the one best answer that we will inshallah include it today, you have the option to make the stem in the form of vignette or case scenario, direct questions, or context dependent set that include one case scenario and below it 3 or 4 MCQ. So let's start by writing the A-type MCQ. Select, you can write it in English or in Arabic. Select the item format. Let's say we need it in the form of vignette. Number of questions, for example, make it 5 questions. Number of distractor, we mean here by number of distractors that you will have 4 distractor plus the key. I mean that you have 5 option, and the same for 3 distractor, 3 plus the key you have 4 option. You can select the level of blooms starting from remembering till the modified blooms creating, or I prefer to make it your questions aligned with CLOs and topic, and I'll show you inshallah how to make this easy based on. Okay, so we'll select this. From course folder, you can create a new folder for your assessment or items. You can make items like final exam of biochemistry, or a folder which is clinical biochemistry, pediatric medicine, whatever, or a question bank. So you can make the folder. All the items that you will generate in this session will be stored or saved in this folder. So let's start by make a folder like clinical biochemistry. You can put the course code. Okay. What are some unique features of AI Assessment Architect? You can upload your course specification for your course, or whatever its format. It is from installable here in Saudi Arabia, in Egypt, on whatever your country and your format, you can put it. So we write here course specification. So I'll click one of the form of my course. Okay, this is course specification. Bismillah, okay. Biochemical. Okay, this is the course. I'm using the RAG, which is Retrieval Augmented Generation feature of AI that convert any file to a chunk, and it will search in this like an index in this chunk to make the search more detailed, to find any search key or search word in this chunk. Then I'll ask it to extract SLOs and topic with AI. So it will extract from this file the CLOs and the topics and put here in the CLOs icons, and this is for the topic. Then I'll ask it to save course folder. This saved course folder will be stored for any times you can use it for generating your test item. So the next step, you can select the items for like carbohydrate, bioenergetics, for example, and the CLOs that relevant to these topics. So I'll search here and here like this. This is the outcome that is aligned with this topic. We have three options to generate the question. Either to write a prompt, write a good prompt to generate the question, or if you have a file, you can upload this file, and by the same technique, by RAG, the file will be analyzed to generate the question from it, or copy and paste content in this box. So I'll select this time the prompt and write just short prompt for saving time. I'll ask it make sure or ensure the alignment between topic and CLOs. Just this. And let's make it run architect census. The designer or architect will start to write or generate the questions based on the CLOs and the topic, and just the short note I give it to ensure the alignment. You second tell the architect generate the questions, which are these are the 5 questions which were generated by the architect. We can review them. If we are happy with them, we can add to item bank. If we are not happy, we can for either to recenses or write a prompt here to change what we want to change. I am happy with them till now, so I can add to item bank. So the questions will be saved here in the saved item. We have here the items in which folder, in the clinical biochemistry folder, they are there. You can note that the course specification is saved, the CLOs and the topic are were saved in the course folder or in the clinical biochemistry folder. The next step, you need to make or to build an exam. So you can select, these are only 5 items. We can select all, and from select all, we can build the exam. And this is the exam. This is a short quiz, for example. You can drag the question to rearrange them. Then we can write here clinical biochemistry quiz 1. Okay. BIO 203. 10 minutes because just finished 10 question, Faculty of Medicine. Clinical Biochemistry Department. Second semester 2025, 2026. Then review paper. This will be the exam paper, just 5 questions. After this, you can store in Vault. It will be stored here in the exam question bank or repositories, and you can export it. You have 2 options to export: examiner copy that will include the answer key, or the examinee copy which will didn't have the answer in it. Another option here, it is the summary of the items and its related CLOs. This summary is important for the process of achievement of learning outcomes. It gives you for each questions which topic covered by it and which CLOs covered, and this is the statement or the narrative of the CLOs, and this is the blooms. The program or the application just read it is discussed, so it is in the understanding, while perform it is in applying. And we have here another column for the difficulty index. After the exam, you can put here the difficulty index for calculating the achievement of different learning outcomes, then exporting it either to Excel or to Word or to print it. So in this short video, I show you how to write or use the AI assessment architect for generating test item, for generating the type MCQ from the start, from selecting it, selecting the style of the stem, the number of question, the number of option, the level of the cognitive level, then creating new folder which is clinical biochemistry, and then add the CLOs and topic to be addressed in this exam, then generating your items, saving it in the saved item, generating your exam, and the last but not least, to make a summary of test item to help you for the to assessing the achievement of learning outcomes. So this is our short video. Thank you for watching it, and I hope it benefits you to use AI assessment. Inshallah, in the series of our video, I'll show you how to generate different test item using AI assessment architect. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi